Namaste. Hello my dear students. Once again I welcome all of you to our English class. Today we will read the topic Road Safety Week, chapter paragraph 4, part 3, paragraph 4, part 3. Before going to the part 3, paragraph 4, you reply my one question, that is, what is the third paragraph about? What is the third paragraph about? The third paragraph is about when and how the Road Safety Week is organized. When and how the Road Safety Week is organized. This information paragraph 3 provides us. Now we have to proceed to paragraph 4, part 3, Road Safety Week. Road Safety Week. Okay. Road Safety Week. In paragraph 4, six guidelines are given. 6 guidelines are there. We have to remember one by one. There are various important factors that may cause serious accidents resulting in fatalities. There are various important factors. Various means different types. There are different types of important factors. Factors means cause. Factor means cause. There are different types of causes are there that may cause serious accident resulting in fatalities. Fatalities means death. Fatalities means death. Fatalities means death. The people should be made aware of these causes of accidents. People should be conscious about the cause of accident. 6 causes have mentioned, we have learned one by one. Firstly, drunken drivers tend to drive in a rash and a negligent way, often overspeeding, risking their own lives as well as the lives of others. Number 1 says the drunken driver. Drunken driver means the person after taking the alcohol. The drunken drivers tend to drive in a rash and negligent way. The drunken drivers, they drive the vehicle in a careless way. By which they brings danger to himself as well as to others. In a negligent way, often overspeeding, risking their own lives as well as the lives of others. That means the drunken drivers drive their vehicle in a careless way by which accident happens. This is the first one. You remember, drunken driver drives their vehicle in a careless way by which the accident happens. Number 1 reason. Number 2 is, secondly, some underage people drive the permissible age in India for driving a private vehicle is 18 years. You remember 16, 18, 20 and 50 cc. In India, in our country, 18 years is permissible age to drive a vehicle. 18 years age. In India, in our country, 18 years. This is permissible age. But at the age of 16, one can apply for the learner's license or learning license. and getting the learner's license, he will learn how to drive the vehicle with help of a trained driver, learner's license. But it is 18 years is a permissible age to run the private vehicle. 18 years age is permissible to drive the private vehicle. But in order to drive the commercial vehicle, the commercial vehicle is 20 years. Commercial means related with the business. 20 years. At the age of 16 years, he can drive. He can apply for the learner's license. And taking the permission of his parents, he can drive 50cc vehicles. 50cc engine capacity. cc means cubic centimeters. In terms of engine, 50cc, like moped, Luna, these are the things. 50cc. At the age of 16, one can apply for the learner's license, and the person or the driver, he can, taking the permission of the parents, he can drive 50cc capacity of vehicles. But at the age of 18 in India, in our country, it is permissible age to drive a private vehicle. He is allowed to drive a vehicle, but a private vehicle. But age 20, it is the person can drive a vehicle for the commercial purpose. These restrictions are there only to reduce the accident only. You listen again. Secondly, some underage people drive vehicles when the permissible age in India is for a private vehicle is 18 years. This is in India, in our country, the permissible age is to drive a private vehicle is 18 years. One can apply for learner license when he or she is 16 years old. For learner license, 16 years. In case the age limit is prescribed for driving a private vehicles only. He can drive a 50cc engine capacity with the consent of his parents. Taking the permission of his parents, he can drive 50cc engine. For driving a commercial vehicle, a person should be 20 years old. 20 years. Commercial means related to the business. 20 years. This is number 2. The first is the drunken drivers drive the vehicles in a careless way. Number 1, the causes of accident. Number 2 is various age restrictions are there to reduce the accident. 16, 18, 20, these are the some restrictions are there. Restrictions to reduce the accident only. The exercise is aimed. These variations are only aimed to reducing the road accident by making sure that only the qualified people take the wheel. Wheel means vehicle. Thirdly, number 3. Thirdly, accident occurs when one resorts to distract driving, which includes speaking on cell phones and texting while driving and talking to the other passengers and sometimes listening to the loud music. It is also very important. Number 3. While driving, the driver, it may be two-wheeler, it may be four-wheeler, whatever it may be. The accident occurs when one is resort to distract driving. Distract driving means distract driving means absent mind. Absent mind. Or disturbed mind. Disturbed mind. When the driver drives the vehicle in a absent mind which includes speaking on cell phones and texting while driving. Texting means practice of sending text message. Texting means practice of sending text message. Okay, while driving, the driver wants to send a message to his friend. Suppose you come at 9 o'clock. That's enough. Sending message. I am waiting for you. Testing. This is testing. Testing means practice of sending message, text message. Speak on cell phone, testing while driving, or talking to the other passengers. One bike is going, another bike is on the right side. It's going. They are talking each other while driving. They are talking each other. Sometimes listening to loud music. Connecting the earphone in the ear, you listen to the music. These are the examples of distract driving. Four examples have been cited. Distract driving, speaking on cell phones 1, and texting while driving 2, so talking with other passengers 3, and listening to the loud music. This is the number 3 reason. Number 3, rules describes about the distract driving. Then come to number 4. Number 4 describes distract driver risks own life as well as the life of others. Distract driving brings danger to himself as well as the others' life also. Fourthly, number 4, the habit of not using seat belt, jumping the signals, driving in a restricted lanes causes the casualty. Number 4 is the habit of not using the seat belts. Those who are riding the four-wheeler, they will not use the seat belts. In case of two-wheelers, they will not wear helmet. And when the traffic post is there, not obeying the traffic signals, jumping the signals. Suppose red sign is there, we have to stop there, but we have to cross the signals. We are not obeying, we have to proceed ahead. Jumping the signals or driving in a restricted lane. The lane which is restricted, not allowed. On that way, if the vehicle runs, that is a restricted lane. Causes the casualty. Casualty means accident. Brings accident. Not obeying the traffic rules and regulations. And fifthly, sometimes the careless pedestrians means the person who walks on foot on the pavement. The careless pedestrians also put others into trouble. This is fifth. Fourth is complete. This is fifth. The pedestrian also put others into trouble. Finally, last one. Finally, 6. The poor and unsafe. Many unsafe and poorly kept commercial vehicles. Some unfit vehicles. Damaged vehicles, not able to run on the road. Not in a condition to run on the road. The many unsafe and poorly commercial vehicles run on the roads, risking the lives of drivers as well as the others. These are the 16 points that causes the road accident. And in this paragraph 4, various important factors that cause serious accident. Number 1 to number 6. Number 1, that describes the drunken driver drive their vehicles in a careless way. Number 1. Number 2, some different permissible age has been granted to ride or to drive the vehicles. Age 16, 18, 20. I have described detail. Number 3, accident happens on account of distract driving. While driving, the driver speaks on cell phone and busy on texting, talks with other passenger and listens to music using your phone. Number 3. Number 4, while driving, the drivers don't use the seat belts, jumping the signals, and driving the restricted lanes that causes the accident. This is number 4. And number 5 is sometimes some careless pedestrians also put into trouble, not obeying the rules, they brings troubles to others. Number 6, many unsafe and poorly commercial vehicle, which is very unfit to run on the road. When they goes on the road, they brings danger to driver as well as to others. These are the 6 reasons, 6 causes which causes the serious accident. These are the factors. Now, thanks to all. This is paragraph 4 is complete. Part 3, paragraph 4 is complete. Thank you.